Sticky rice today. It's called sweet rice. Any brand will do. Sticky rice with Chinese sausage. Delicious. Put it into a rice cooker, and we're going to put in 3 cups of rice. Three cups of rice and 4 cups of water. Half teaspoon of salt. Sugar?
Sugar.
1 teaspoon. 3?
Yeah.
2 and 3 teaspoons of sugar. We're going to turn it on. Any rice cooker is fine. We're going to just turn on the cooking rice. Hit the rice button. Oh, well, if you don't have the sushi button, you hit the sushi button. But if you don't have sushi button, hit the rice button. First, we're going to put water in the Chinese sausage and let it boil. Let it cook with the water. See, the Chinese sausage is boiling right now. You just let it boil, turn it a little bit, so it'll be done on the other side. And when the water evaporates, be all done. You can cover it, but let it have a little air hole here, so that way it can evaporate. Once the sausage puff up like that, then it's done. You can pour away the excess water. But you don't have to put that much water. So we put a little bit too much water, so now we have to pour out some water. You can cook on high, but just make sure you rotate the sausage, it doesn't burn. And the sausage will give out its natural fat.
Now let it brown.
So we're going to turn the sausage. You see it browning nicely, so you gotta keep turning the sausage to get a nice even caramelized color. Sausage is almost done. You see you rotate it nice and even, and you see how nice and brown it is. It doesn't have to be totally caramelized, but that was a nice color. Now we're gonna make some scallion oil. So your favorite oil, olive oil, light olive oil, not the extra virgin olive oil, any kind of oil that you like. Using the same pot, you add more of your favorite oil and making scallion oil. So put scallion in and saute it a little bit. You can add a little salt, a little sugar in here to season your scallion. Up to you, whatever your diet is. If you're watching your salt and sugar, you don't have to. But just a pinch of salt or pinch of sugar will be really good with this. That's sugar. Oh, that's salt. Add the salt in. And this scallion cooks really quickly. You can actually turn off the heat now. And that was sugar. And you can put in as much sugar as you want. And this is done. We are going to slice the sausage diagonally. You see it? You get longer slices. If you like eggs, you can do eggs any style you like. I like it over easy. And this is the sticky rice. So if you don't like it too wet like this, you can use less water. So my family likes it wet. And now we can add the condiments like the Chinese sausage with the scallion oil. It's going to be delicious. Look at that. And then if you like some pork floss, you can put some on too as well. And another thing I love on this dish is pork floss. And you can get this at any Asian store, or you can order online as well. So it's just made out of pork, and they season it with fish sauce and a little sugar, and they cook it until it's dry, and then they pound it out, and then it dry up some more, and you slowly cook it. It adds a saltiness, umami saltiness to any dish. So let's try this. Let's try with the pork floss. That's a good pork floss. Try the sausage. And some scallion. Very simple dish. This bring back my childhood when I was growing up in Vietnam. And this is like a street food. They do all different combination with this pate, with corn, with a lot of different stuff. You can make this sweet or savory as well. If you never had a Chinese sausage, it's sweet and salty, has a smoky flavor to it. It's really unique, one of its kind. So delicious. Bon appetit. See you in the next video.